located in central region of Malaysia in Shah Alam, and it is leading manufacturer and exporter in Asia region since 1972 and a subsidiary of Tamura Corporation in Japan. Tamura manufactures power transformers, switching transformer, plant transformer, factory automation machinery, choke coil, reactor, and industrial transformer for various applications. Tamura takes a serious view of importance of safety for all its designs, which is why it has a dedicated safety license officer involved at all stages of design and development processes. These are the emergency response plans of Tamura Electronics. Tamura ERP plans are divided into four, which are major spillage, radiation leakage, major fire, and also electrical shocks. Here are the ERP plan for major spillage in Tamura. First of all, if the spill happens, immediately use chemical spillage kit or sand to stop the spillage. Next, clean up the area and throw the contaminated spillage kit as scheduled waste. For non-permanent base, put leak drum into container. Next, for the permanent base, use container to capture the spillage. Next, chemicals or use pump to take the spillage chemicals from pit. Fill in the spillage chemical into the empty drum. Next steps, determine the condition of the drum. Can or cannot be repaired. If can, repair the drum and reuse. If can't, throw as scheduled waste. Next, inform SHO or safety committee or security, and then investigate the incidents. After investigate the incident, develop prevention measure, and lastly, keep records.
Next, the ERP plan when the radiation leakage happen in Tamura. First step that need to be taken is the person in charge need to survey the trigger meter radiation leakage and make sure the alarm was on. After that, switch off the main power or pull up plug of the cable. Second, immediately inform to the RPO about the situation, and RPO will be informed to the AELB and others related party when the situation was happened. All of the party will investigate the incident to develop several prevention measures, and then return the report for the radiation leakage and submit the report to the AELB, and the report was kept recorded. When this situation was happened, the early treatment can be done is by use survey meter to check radioactive radiation on victim. If the victim was critical, send the victim to the nearest hospital or clinic. Electrical shock. When electrical shock was happened during operation, first step that need to do is switch off the main power, and if it cannot be turned off, push away the victim from source by using non-conductive items such as wood and take the victim to the safe place. Meanwhile, other workers need to inform immediately to SHO or first aid team to make an early treatment to the victim. If the victim in a critical situation, they need to send the victim to the nearest hospital or clinic for further treatment. The workers also need to inform immediately to safety committee and fire squad to investigate the incident for develop several prevention measures to make sure that the incident will not be happen again. And then all the data was kept recorded.
For the next emergency response plan is major fire. For the first step of major fire is trigger alarm, which is break glass and shout fire, fire, fire. Next, the respected personnel or supervisor or leader must inform to security immediately. Next, the security must identify the zone location of fire alarm and report to the fire squad or SHO. The security must confer with bomber through CMS telephones. Next step is to determine the can and can't fight fire with available equipment. If can, fight fire. If cannot, bomber rescue. If fight fire, follow-up actions. Next, the SHO or person in charge or the fire squad must assist bomber in investigations. Next, the develop of prevention measure must be done. Then the record must be kept. If bomber rescue, fight fire and rescue missing persons, yearly treatment to injured person and sent to the nearest hospital. Procedure and activity in the event of emergency. The procedure that must be followed is 1. Hearing the evacuation alarm, immediately cease all activity. Assist any person in immediate danger if safe to do so. Secure any activity process that may be dangerous. Act in accordance with direction given by emergency control personnel. Assist with the evacuations of disabled occupants. Do not use a lift to evacuate buildings and move calmly to the nominated assembly area. Tamura also provides training for the workers, and the topic involved is individual roles and responsibility, threats and protective actions, notification and communication procedure, evacuation and accountability procedure.